Good morning, student. In the last period, we learned the chemical properties of amines. But today we have to study the acylation of amines. We know amines are the alkyl derivative of ammonia, that is, compound is obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia by the same number of alkyl. The next chemical property, acylation of amines. Acylation, the reaction in which hydrogen atom of amine are replaced by acyl group called as acylation of amine. In acylation of amines, acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl, or acetic anhydride CH3COCH3 are used as acetylating reagent. Both acetic chloride and acetic anhydrides are prepared from acetic acid. How prepared acetic chloride from acetic acid? See here. Acetic acid is a reflux with PCl5. Acetic acid is a reflux with phosphorus pentachloride. It is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, nucleophile attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon and descent. The diffusion of the COH linkage takes place to form CH3COCl plus phosphorus oxychloride POCl3 plus HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Acetic acid is a reflux with phosphorus pentachloride produces the corresponding acetyl chloride. Generally, it is known as acid chloride. It is named as acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is one of the reagents used for acylation of amine. Similarly, for acylation of amine, acetic anhydride is also used as an acetylating reagent and is prepared from acetic acid. That is, the two molecules of acetic acids are strongly heated in presence of P2O5. It is the strong dehydrating reagent. In presence of dehydrating reagent, the removal of water molecule takes place from the two molecules of acetic acid and gives acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO twice O plus H2O. It is generally represented as CH3COOCOCH3. That is in acetylation of amine, acetyl chloride as well as acetic anhydride are used as an acetylating reagent. In acylation of amine, hydrogen atom of primary or secondary amines are replaced by an acyl group. It's called as acylation of amine. Initially, we are going towards primary amine. These are the monoalkyl derivative of ammonia. That is, compound is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of ammonia by only one alkyl group. It is generally represented as R-NH2. Its functional group is -NH2. In primary amine, nitrogen atom contains a pair of electron, have a tendency to donate the pair of electron to electron deficient species. Therefore, it acts as a Lewis base. Primary amine reacts with the acetic chloride in presence of a base, that is C5H5, and it is Lewis base. It is pyridine. In a pyridine, nitrogen atom contains a pair of electron, have a tendency to donate the pair of electron to electron deficient species. Here, byproduct obtained is acid. Therefore, base is used as a catalyst. This reaction takes place in presence of a strong base. Primary amine is reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of Carbonyl carbon atom is attached to more electronegative chlorine atom, and it is directly attached to divalent oxygen atom. Here oxygen atom contains a pair of electron. Here chlorine shows the negative inductive effect, have a tendency to push electron towards itself, and therefore the carbonyl carbon atom is electron deficient. In presence of amine, in amine nitrogen atom contains a pair of electron, have a tendency to donate a pair of electron to electron and efficient the species. Here nitrogen donate a pair of electron to electron and efficient the carbonyl carbon to form an intermediate R N H, then C O CH3 Cl. Here O contain 3 pair of electrons. It carries unit negative charge. Then a shifting of a pair of electron to its original position. At the same time, the fission of a C-Cl linkage takes place heterolytically. Then it abstracts proton towards itself to form R-NH COCH3 along with hydrochloric acid to give monoacetyl amine. Monoacetyl alkyl amine. That is, in this reaction, hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom is replaced by acyl group. Therefore, this reaction is known as the acylation of amines. The next reaction, methylamine, is reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of base. Then here nitrogen atom contains a pair of electron, tendency to donate a pair of electron to electron deficient the species to form CH3 NH CO CH3 plus along with hydrochloric acid is named as monoacetyl methyl amine. Monoacetyl methyl amine. Starting material is methyl amine. That is primary amine. In this reaction, one hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom is replaced by acetyl group. Therefore, this reaction is known as acylation of amine. That is, one or more hydrogen atom on nitrogen from primary and secondary amines are replaced by acyl group or acetyl group called as acylation or acetylation of amines. It is also named as, according to IUPAC system, the prefix N is used to indicate the number of alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Here only one methyl group is present on nitrogen. Therefore, it is named as N-methyl. Methyl ethanamide. Then next reaction, aromatic amine. In aromatic amine, amino group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Here aromatic amine, that is aniline. The name aniline is used in common as well as in IUPAC system. It is also known as phenylamine. It is also named as benzenamine or aniline. Aniline is a reaction with acetyl chloride in presence of base Same. In this reaction also nitrogen donated pair of electron to electron deficient carbonyl carbon. At the same time, the fission of Cl linkage takes place. Chlorine is eliminated as a halide ion, that is Cl minus chloride ion. It immediately abstracts proton towards itself and eliminates as a hydrochloric acid. To give monoacetylphenylamine, or it is also monoacetylphenylamine. Both aliphatic or aromatic primary amines reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of a base to give corresponding monoacetyl alkyl amine along with the hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, hydrogen atom or nitrogen are replaced by acyl group, therefore it is called as acylation or acetylation of amines. In next example, secondary amine. We know secondary amine, these are the dialkyl derivative of ammonia. That is compound is obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom of ammonia by two same or different alkyl groups, CH3 and then C6H5NH. It is secondary amine. In secondary amine, the functional group is dash NH dash. Here N contains 0 electron. That is, it is a dialkyl derivative of ammonia, in which the two hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by one methyl and other is phenyl group. Therefore, it is called as mixed amine or unsymmetric amine. Is called as methyl phenylamine. Methyl phenylamine is reacts with acetic chloride in presence of a base, in presence of a pyridine. Here nitrogen atom donated pair of electron to electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. So in this reaction also hydrogen atom or nitrogen is replaced by acyl group to give then COCH3 along with the hydrochloric acid, called as monoacetyl methylphenylamine. It is also named as methylphenylamine. Then according to IUPAC system, it is named as N-methyl-aniline. N-methyl-aniline. Then according to IUPAC, the product is named as N-methyl N-phenyl ethanamide. N-methyl N-phenyl, total number of carbon 1, corresponding alternate.
Differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to x. You know the formula for e raised to x.
Acyl group is called as acylation of amine. Therefore, in acylation, acetic anhydride is also used as acylating reagent. When primary amine is C2H5NH2, it is primary amine. That is, it is monoalkyl derivative of ammonia. Compound is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of ammonia by only one alkyl group, only one ethyl group. According to common system, it is named as ethylamine. But according to IUPAC, called as ethanamine. Ethylamine is reacts with second used acetyl heating reagent. Acetic anhydride is also used as a acetyl heating reagent. Acetic anhydride, that is CH3 CO O CO CH3. Acetic anhydride, it is prepared from corresponding acetic acid. That is, the two molecules of acetic acids are strongly linked in presence of phosphorus pentoxide to give acetic anhydride along with other molecules. It reacts with acetic anhydride. In this reaction is also takes place in presence of base, that is pyridine. In primary amine, functional group is -2. Nitrogen atom contains a pair of electron have a tendency to donate a pair of electron to electron efficient species. Here O contain a pair of electron, oxygen atom is more electronegative as compared to C. If it attack on electron deficient carbon with carbon, at the same time the shifting of pi bonding electron takes place towards more electronegative O, that is to form an intermediate compound. Then shifting of pair of electron to its original, at the same time the fission of CO linkage takes place to give C2H5NH COCH3 along with, then the fission of CO linkage takes place, that is the acetate ion is immediately absorbed proton towards itself and eliminate in the form of acetic acid. In this reaction also, hydrogen atom and hydrogen are replaced by acetyl group. Therefore, this reaction is known as acetylation of amine or acylation of amine. Is named as monoacetyl ethyl amine, or according to IUPAC system, it is named as N-ethyl ethanamide. Ethanamide. Now secondary amine, that is C2H5 C2H5NH, then C6H5. It is secondary amine. These are the dialytic derivative of ammonia. Compound is obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom of ammonia by two different alkyl group. One is ethyl, other is phenyl. According to common system, it is named as ethyl phenyl amine or ion ethyl aniline. Ion ethyl aniline prefix N is used to indicate the number of alkyl group present on nitrogen atom. This aniline name is usually common as well as in IUPAC system. Therefore, according to IUPAC system, it is named as N-ethyl aniline. It reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of base, in presence of strong base. It is Lewis base. Nitrogen contain a pair of electron have a tendency to donate a pair of electron to electron efficient. This is here. The byproduct obtained is acid. Therefore, this reaction is takes place in presence of base, in presence of this basic medium. Here, nitrogen donate a pair of electron to electron efficient carbon in carbon gives C2H5N COCH3 dash C6H5 along with acetic acid. Along with acetic acid is named as ion ethyl and phenyl ethanamide. That is both primary and in a secondary amine. Hydrogen atom are replaced by acetyl group called as acetylation or acylation of amine. Then next chemical property, compound. It is prepared from solid sodium nitrite and dilute hydrochloric acid. Sodium nitrite reacts with hydrochloric acid. NaNO2 is reacts with HCl to form. Here metal is NA, that reacts with non-metallic element in the form of NaCl to use HNO2, that is nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is generally prepared from sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, primary amine is generally represented as NH2. Here functional would be the dash NH2. Primary amine in HCl reacts with nitrous acid. But for balancing chemical reaction, the two molecules of HCl are required here. So, primary amine in HCl is reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is prepared from sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. NaNO2 and HCl. Amine is name is this. It reacts with nitrous acid to form a salt along with water molecule. It gives R N2 plus Cl minus, named as alkyl diazonium chloride as a salt, plus along with the sodium chloride, along with the two molecule of water. Product may be, the name of salt is alkyl diazonium chloride. Alkyl diazonium chloride. Primary amine in HCl is reacts with nitrous acid to use alkyl diazonium chloride along with NaCl, sodium chloride and water molecule. Then alkyl diazonium chloride is formed with water. Actually, this reaction is takes place at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give monohydric alcohol with evaluation of N2 and hydrochloric acid HCl. Here nucleophile wise attack on electron efficient carbon to use corresponding monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, these are the hydroxy derivative of alkane. It contains only one hydroxyl group in their molecule. That is compound is obtained by replacing only one hydrogen atom of alkane by only one hydroxyl group. It gives corresponding monohydric alcohol with evaluation of N2 and hydrochloric acid. So, primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, finally use monohydric alcohol. Except methylamine, only methylamine produces ether. The next reaction, ethylamine C2H5NH2. It is also primary amine. It contains only one alkyl to form nitrogen atom. Ethylamine in HCl reacts with nitrous acid, but for balancing the chemical reaction, the two molecules of hydrochloric acids are required here to use first forming of a salt, that is C2H5 N2 plus Cl minus ethyl diazonium chloride along with sodium chloride and water molecule. Then ethyl diazonium chloride ethyl diazonium chloride is reacts with other gives ethyl alcohol with evaluation of N2 and hydrochloric acid. The product may be ethyl alcohol. That is, aliphatic primary amine reacts with nitrous acid. Aliphatic primary amine, it contains only one alkyl group present on nitrogen atom. That is, in which hydrogen atom common is replaced by alkyl group, maybe methyl or ethyl group. But methylamine does not produce alcohol. Except methylamine, all other primary amines react with nitrous acid to use corresponding monohydric alcohol. Then aromatic primary amine, in which amino group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. It is named as aniline. It is also known as phenylamine. It is also known as benzenamine. Aniline is used in the name aniline is used in common as well as in IUPAC system. Aniline in HCl reacts with nitrous acid. To form a salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride along with sodium chloride and water. Aniline is reacts with nitrous acid, or aniline in HCl is reacts with nitrous acid to form benzene diazonium chloride along with sodium chloride and water mole. Now in second step, benzene diazonium chloride is armed with water to form phenol along with evaluation of N2 and HCl. So primary amine, that is aliphatic primary amine, is reacts with nitrous acid to form corresponding monohydric alcohol. Aromatic primary amines, primary amine functional group is SNH2. Aromatic amine, in which amino group is directly attached to aromatic ring called as aromatic amine, is reacts with nitrous acid to form phenol. It is organic hydroxy compound body in which hydroxy group is directly attached to aromatic carbon atom. Aliphatic primary amine produces alcohol, while aromatic primary amines produces phenol. Then the question will be, how will you convert ethyl amine into ethyl alcohol, or how will you convert aniline into phenol?